July 6th after ASAP 08.
Come back, please. Take it away, take it away.
Take it away, come on.
Take it away. Sir Martin, ganito yung kanina. Take it away.
Kanina nag-dance school. Okay, ito yung sayaw. Billy, ganito yun, ha? Chance, scams, coverage. Scams, scams, coverage. Ngayon,
Sandali lang pare. Ano yung sinasabi mo?
hindi, yun yung
Yes,
scams, scams, coverage. Ngayon,
Sandwich
si
naman
Sir
yung
Martin gagawin yung scams.
What am I gonna do?
You have to do that. Sige, tara.
Okay, ganito. Alright, sige.
Ganun lang, ha?
Scams,
Scams,
coverage. Scams, scams, scams. Very good.
Yeah.
I like it.
One more. With feeling.
Let's just do your dance along. It's a lot better. I like
Okay, ito yung pinakamahirap. Guys, please, ingatan nyo to. Dahil ito nakapulikan to.
Okay.
Ito yun, 1, 2, 3, go. Sketch, scan, scabbers. Scan, scan, scabbers. See?
I can do 2 fingers.
Ay, hindi ko kaya.
Scabbers.
Because it's yourself.
Scabbers.
Artists.
Ha?
You like that?
Kaya niyo yun?
I can do that. We can stretch as much as you want. The only problem is that the more you stretch, the more nonsense comes out of your mouth.
Yes, I
There
like
is
scratch,
no
scratch.
nonsense.
Scabbers.
There is no nonsense on this show. No nonsense.
No.
Yes.
Not one wasted word
Not
on
one.
this show. Not one.
Not
maybe
one,
two.
not three, not
Maybe
four.
Not
three.
one, but twice.
Oh, sige, it's time na.
Before the show ends, we will see Billy Crawford's hair before the show ends. Thank you very much. Let's jam now, acoustically jam with the show. Of course, where the singing is non-stop and unbeatable. An acoustic number with, of course, Yang and RJ.
Oy.
And Jerison Sound. Making beautiful music together right here on ASAP.
Scabbers.
Dance with me. Sketch.
Think a smile so she won't see that I'm needing everything that we should be.
That confidence about. He's got everything that I have to live without.
She talks to me. Love, 'cause it's just funny that I can't even see anyone when she's with me.
He says he's so in love. He's finally got it right. I wonder if he knows it's all I think about at night. She's the reason for the teardrops in my guitar. The only thing that keeps me wishing on my wishing star. Kiss the song in the car. I keep singing, don't know why I do.
Your fingertips across my skin. The palm trees swaying in the wind. Images.
You send me Spanish lines, the sweetest sadness in your eyes, clever true. I never want to see you unhappy.
I thought you'd want the same for me. Goodbye, my almost lover. Goodbye, my hopeless dream. I'm trying not to think about you. Can't you just let me be? So long, my love, let's romance. My back is turned on you. I should know you bring me heartache. Almost lovers always do.
Goodbye, my almost goodbye.
Goodbye, my hopeless dream. I'm trying not to think about it. Yeah, you just let me be. So may ibig sabihin ang kanta niyo. Parang na-feel niyo every rhythm.
Oh, dahan-dahan lang, Kim. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan.
Grabe, nakaka-in-love talaga. At nakaka-in-love din talaga, Gerald.
Ang ibang dalawa nagka-in-love.
Hindi kasi bro, nai-love na siya. Pero ako naman. Lalo na si isang babae, katulad mo. Kaya nga, you're my girl. My only girl. Pero guys, ito na. Yun. Later this afternoon, papakiligin tayo. Yan. Mamaya hapon na yan.
Mamaya na po yan mga kapamilya sa Your Song presents Nicky Hill's version of A Million Miles Away. Kaya heto na ang magpapakilig sa ating lahat sa Your Song.
Jay!
Jay and Shaina!
Hey, love ka na.
I'd love to make you mine, 'cause it's the only way we hold you in my wild imagination.
Still don't know how to grab a chance and spend some time in just a simple conversation.
Just give it a try. The one night chasing rainbows in the sky.
I wanna hold you in my dreams and make believe that it's true. Though I know that it's impossible to do, 'cause you're a star.
People love you as you are.
You're a million miles away from me.
Wish that you were here, 'cause it's illusions every time you're close to me and sing my love songs.
And it's the only way I could tell the world I love you, although you're a million miles away.
Just give it a try. The one night chasing rainbows in the sky.
I wanna hold you in my dreams and make believe that it's true. Though I know that it's impossible to do, 'cause you're a star. You're a star. You're a star. A million miles away from me.
Thank you po. Please welcome ang bida ng pinakabagong Your Song, si Kwenta and Shaina Magdayaw. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Sana po manood po kayo right after ASAP. Ito na po ang Your Song presents A Million Miles Away by Nicky Hill. Sana po supportahan ninyo.
Go, Nicky! Yes, and kasama po namin dito si Marvin Raimundo at marami pa pong iba, directed by Direct Tots Mariscal Sanchez. Maraming after ASAP 08 po yan, linggo-linggo, for the whole month of July. Sana papanoorin niyo.
Ayan, abangan niyo po yan. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Tita Alchu, who is from Los Angeles. Hello! Thank you for gracing us here. Okay po, abangan niyo po ang Your Song pagkatapos po ng ASAP. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil magbabalik pa po ang ASAP 08!
Yeah!